The question you've asked is not that straightforward. The truth is that there are stakeholders in this country, and there are ways that this country has been managed since 1960, since independence. The country may not have made giant strides economically and in terms of provisions of what will suit or make the populace comfortable. But in terms of its politics, we have managed it in a way that it has kept the country together. I want to remind you that when Obasanjo became president, there was an unwritten national consensus, that a Southwestern person, somebody from the Southwest, will be president. Because if you looked at it, the two candidates for that election were Obasanjo and Olufalaye. So head and tail, Southwest wins. That was a national concession. And it was not for nothing. It was because the stakeholders felt that at that point in time, immediately following Abiola's death, who was presumed to have won an election, there was a need to assuage the Southwest. It was not a question of northern interest. You see, those who control the affairs of this nation in terms of politics before now were more interested in national interest than sectional interest. And our failure to evolve a national elite system is one of the most fundamental problems why Nigeria is stagnating, because we all pull in different directions. Now, coming specifically to your question, I see a lot of young people, young minds, brilliant minds from the North coming together, which is a good thing. The North needs its political elites to come together for whatever reasons, even if only to shoulder the responsibility of the burden of neglect of the masses for so long. But, for 2027, we politicians, and I say that authoritatively, without any fear of contradiction or equivocation, I am part of this system, I am in this system, I understand this system. In 2027, power cannot return to the North yet. That's not how we do it. We rotate between the North and the South. The North does 8 years, at the end of which the South does 8 years. So I'm not saying that Bola Tinubu must be president in 2027, but he's not going to be a Northerner.